A video on Vice Asia featured Miki, who at the time was only 9 years old. Miki was convinced that her narrow eyes gave the impression of her constantly scowling at others. This belief was instilled in her mind from a young age by her mother, who taught her that double eyelids are beautiful and are the standard of beauty.
時間ちょいかかりましたね。
Sadly, Miki's mom opinion is not uncommon. It's actually a commonly held view among the Koreans, Japanese, and Han Chinese. Over 50% of Asian have slanted mono eyelids. The Korean and Japanese eyes, in particular, are very distinct. Many Asians have historically had their beauty assessed and measured through their eyes. In the late 1800s, Dr. Mikamo, the first Japanese surgeon to perform cosmetic procedures in the country, described the single eyelid of Japanese people as monotonous and impassive, while labeling the double eyelid as normal and more attractive. Some have described distinctive Asian eyes as aggressive or staring, while double-lidded eyes, which are more common in Western looks, have been described as more expressive and alert.
家畜でお目目の妹の方がすごく可愛がられてたんで、近所のおばちゃんとか、あからさまに妹だけ可愛いねって言ってお菓子くれたりしてて、私はそういうことを一切言われたことなくて。
で、その違いが二重か一重の。
そうですね。女の子はやっぱ二重。一重の子で可愛いと思ったこと私はないんで、二重が可愛いんで、二重が正義ですね。何度も言うけど。
This was a poster featuring female participants in a beauty contest. Do you see any noticeable variation among them? The abundance of plastic surgery in Korea has led to the pervasive meme that individual Korean women are indistinguishable from one another. This obsession with artificial beauty standards in Asia, and particularly in Korea, creates a worrying cycle. The unnatural looks of these women may lead them to pressure their daughters to undergo similar procedures, especially if they naturally possess distinctly Korean features. These are portraits of Chinese, Japanese, and Korean women from the late 1800s to early 1900s. They represent distinctive and beautiful features of these ethnic groups. In Korea, it is typical to hear direct comments about your appearance from family members, such as your mother, grandmother, or aunt, who might say that you are unattractive, your eyes are too small, your nose is too large, or your face is too wide. This criticism can start at a young age, as Korean-American writer Carol Lee shared in a recent article, recounting that she was told she should consider plastic surgery at the age of 8. Furthermore, it is not uncommon in Korea to see children who look very different from their mothers, as many women in the country have undergone plastic surgeries to alter their appearance. In my opinion, the obsession with plastic surgery and the pursuit of unrealistic beauty standards in Asia, particularly in Korea, can have detrimental effects on society. The destructive quest for beauty that is so far outside of the country's genetic norms may ultimately lead to societal ruin.